What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Dijs University, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 methods how you can make money online with Clickbank using free traffic, also known as organic traffic. So Dana from my Facebook group asked me this question. Colin, what is the best way to promote Clickbank products that's not Facebook-Instagram considering a budget of $200 maximum? And that is a very good question, Dana. It brings me to one of my favorite questions to answer, and that is basically how to start an affiliate marketing business, how to promote Clickbank products online with a limited budget. And the minimum budget required, in my honest opinion, to start promoting online products as an affiliate to make money online with Clickbank is $1,000. If you don't have that budget, you need to start somewhere else. And I don't want to rain on your parade, but I have actually very good arguments for this. Because if you have no experience as an affiliate, you need to test a lot of different angles. This will burn through your budget. You need to test in order to learn. You need to learn how things work. If you follow me on YouTube and you've been following me for a while, you might know that 1 out of the 2 campaigns I can make money on, but that's because I've been doing this for several years. I've launched hundreds, if not thousands of different campaigns. If you are just starting out, you need to test a lot in order to learn. And once you're done learning, you can start winning. But before you can do that, you might have to spend $800 to $1,000 on campaigns in order to get the information, in order to get the knowledge you need to get profitable campaigns. If you have a limited budget, like Dana has only $200, this might limit you in your testing and therefore also limit you in your learning. And that's not what we want, because that would keep you from winning. So do you want to play the odds? Do you basically want to gamble with $100, $200, $300, $400 and see if you can make it or not make it? Or do you actually want to build a business like you're supposed to build a business? Building a business carries risk, but also it has exceptional rewards if you're able to do it the right way. And I like to play to win. So there are certain rules, and my rule is don't start an affiliate marketing business if you have no guidance with less than $1,000, because 99.5% will probably fail in trying to do so. You need a different strategy in order to be able to make money on Clickbank with paid traffic. If you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, you need to scratch out that paid traffic and you need to use something else. So what else is there that you can do? If your budget is too small to use paid advertising, you have no knowledge, and you have a limited budget. So let's say you do have $200 to invest, right? And starting an affiliate marketing business basically means that you're willing to lose the $200 completely and get nothing back. That is your investment, right? And you hope that through testing, through learning, you have kind of a positive return on your investment, and therefore hopefully over time get more money back than you have invested so far. So what can you do? Let me list you 3 different things that you can do to make money online with Clickbank. First of all, blogging. You can basically write articles about products, write reviews, and it doesn't cost anything, right? The only thing it costs is time. There's maybe $100 worth of cost involved. You need to get a server, a website, hosting, right? I think maybe all in all, it would maybe like $100 a year, right? To get it all up and running, which is a very small investment. But if it's $200 is your budget, it's already half of your budget, 50%, right? Which you're investing. Other than that, it takes time to write the blogs, it takes time to research, it takes time to publish it, it takes time to distribute it. But you can distribute it over social media, you can post it on Reddit, you can make connections through email, have other people reach out to your blog, and you can do it all in an organic manner. These things will take time. Paid advertising is great because it's fast, but it also costs money. Organic traffic is also great, but the only big con is that it costs a lot of time. The pro is that it's free, right? So if you want to promote Clickbank products with free traffic, blogging might be a very good option for you. I would say if you write articles from 1,000 to 2,000 words, you can probably finish 1 or 2 articles per day. And in a couple of months from now, you will have a good flow of organic traffic. And there's literally dozens and dozens of free courses out there on how to build an affiliate marketing website using blogging. Even on YouTube, there's a crazy amount of content out there. So I recommend you have a look at that. One of my other personal favorites is video compilations. Basically what you do is you download royalty-free content from YouTube. So information provided by others, you search the web, you get all kinds of information. The cost for this, $100 to $200. Sometimes you need a microphone, sometimes you need a webcam if you want to record yourself, or you need some editing tool, right? So this is a little bit more of an investment compared to the blogging stuff. However, this can be a lot of fun. If you don't want to be on camera, you don't have to be on camera. What you can do actually is, let's say you are a Star Wars fan. Well, Star Wars is branded, but let's say you are a basketball fan. You get all kinds of basketball clips which are royalty free, put them together in like a training series, and then in the description you pitch a basketball product from Clickbank vertical jump, right? So in that regard, you can line it up quite easy. This only takes literally the most time you will have to spend is doing research and then getting the clips. Editing them together is quite fast, uploading them is quite fast, and then you just wait for the traffic to come to you, or you go out on the internet and you distribute the compilations yourself. Obviously, again, very labor intensive, expected ROI as it's organic traffic. Maybe not, maybe a lot, but it would be a continuous process and you need to get better at it. Then the third job is my always recommendation: get an online job. There's literally hundreds of companies out there every single day looking for people who can do administrative work, who can post links, who can distribute articles, who can find leads. All these online jobs are available to you. If you only have $200 to spend and you can work 2 hours a day, it basically means that these guys are usually willing to pay $10 to $20 an hour, depending on the task. Let's say $10 an hour. And then you work 2 hours a day, you earn $20, which basically means that in a month you work 60 hours and you get paid $600. That means your budget goes from $200 to $800, and you're almost at the position of being able to work with paid advertising because you're now almost at $1,000, which basically means you can do what you actually wanted to do. All you have to do is sacrifice 1 month, 2 hours a day working for somebody else. And that might not be what you want to hear right now, but that is always the path I recommend. Get security first, then start running paid ads with $1,000 in budget. What I personally did was running my ads while keeping on to a job. So all the money I invested into learning, I actually fueled with cash flow from a different source. And that's how I always were liquid, in the sense of I wasn't losing too much money where I couldn't afford to keep running the business, right? Liquidity in the business, cash flow is the most important thing. And having a job fuel cash flow to your investment, which hopefully will yield positive ROI, which is your business, money, profit, is one of the best recommendations I can give to anybody. The whole rule, the definition you have to understand about organic traffic is if you have no money, you have to put in the time. If you have money to spend on ads, you don't have to put in the time because the ads do the work for you. The ads are being displayed while you're sleeping, while you're eating, while you're doing anything. If you don't have money, you have to put in the time. If you have any questions about organic traffic, post them down in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.